to show you how I do my makeup with the Multitasker brush. I'm going to start with my contour, and I like to do this just to show you guys like placement purposes and to show you just how easy it is to blend everything together. Slap it on and have it be messy and have it come together. So one little tip, because it's still winter time and our houses get a little cooler, if you find that your creams are kind of stiff or just like a little hard to blend, it's a super easy fix. You can take your blow dryer and run it over your creams just in the compact like this and quickly heat them up. Obviously don't like melt them down to a liquid, but you can just run a blow dryer over it and it'll heat them up.
Mom?
Okay, then I'm using my color correcting shade for the middle part of my face. So just kind of go around the nose, under the eyes, kind of spot treat. And then I'm using my base shade for kind of my chin area and my forehead. And then I use the concealer shade along my jawline because I'm just a lot lighter right here. I don't have a lot of color pigmentation, don't need a lot of coverage. And then I'll also just pop that concealer on the inner and outer corners of the eyes. You can even just do it right down the center of the nose as well. This is Saint Tropez. It's my favorite spring lip and cheek, and I just kind of pop that right above where my contour is. Okay, got it all blended, and we're gonna just do a quick little lip and cheek. This is Plum. And then I like to add a little Saint Tropez.
Saint Tropez.
Do just a little illuminator. Okay, so that was with the Multitasker and then the Buff to Blend and like literally everything right here. It's the best. It's the best, you guys.